Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the field of addiction medicine. Let's break down this word to better understand its meaning and pronunciation. We may pronounce it as alcoholism, alcoholism, alka, ha, lism, alcoholism. Alcoholism is crucial in healthcare, helping professionals to understand and treat the chronic disease characterized by an inability to control alcohol consumption. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about alcoholism, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.